I have a Planar 2D diesel heater that is installed underneath my passenger seat. That taps into my diesel tank using the auxiliary tap. So as long as I have diesel in my diesel tank, I can run my diesel heater, and it doesn't really touch any of my reservoir at all. Like, I barely see it touch my fuel at all. As you guys can see down there, there is a vent that is for the diesel heater. That allows that hot air to blow back, and with all the insulation and things like that I've done in the van, it does a nice job keeping this thing warm when it's really cold outside. It actually has a thermostat. Doesn't really work that well, to be honest. I usually just use the power output. That usually is able to keep the temperature more regulated in the van, in my opinion, than using the thermostat function.